it's Sam. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some really awesome things for your outdoor space from Walmart that are not going to break the bank. These are really cute, very aesthetic, just good neutral decor pieces from Walmart. So a huge thank you to Walmart for partnering up with me for this video. And I'm going to show you guys the very first one. So this is one of those little tabletop torches. It's got a little face. Isn't that so cute? So this little thing screws off. You take it off, fill it up with the citronella oil, and then you have like a little wick here that you can burn. It does come out, it's just pushed all the way down now. And then this can sit on your patio table and keep all of your mosquitoes away. We don't want the mosquitoes, so this is a really cute little thing. I'll have everything linked. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it, but if you get up close, you can see it's kind of got like that stone. It looks really expensive. Okay, next is the Better Homes and Gardens dinnerware set. It's a 12 piece. It's made with bamboo and melamine. So this is what it looks like. It's a really gorgeous, it almost looks like it's like stoneware, but it's not. It's super easy for the kids to use. It's not gonna break. And on the inside, it looks like faux wood. So it's really pretty, really aesthetic, looks really gorgeous, nice and neutral. This is a great size for cereal or soups. Then you've got like your salad kind of bowl or like pasta. And then the dinner plate is a great size. But again, it has that little lip, so nothing's gonna fall off the plate. Okay, next are these lanterns. So these are super duper cute. I think I got the medium. This is the 18-inch. And then I got the big one as well. So this one, the candle, you just put battery in it. It's fake, it's not real. And then you can just, you know, change out the battery when they die. You don't have to worry about anything melting or anything like that. So this is the medium, I think this is the medium one. And this is the big one. So this is the 21-inch. So together, they look so cute. You could put this in your front of your entryway outside. You could put it in your patio space to kind of set the mood and make it look cute and cozy and kind of chic. They do not come with batteries, so keep that in mind. You are gonna have to get a battery. Then I got this gorgeous planter. So it's got like a cute little rainbow design all the way around. So cute. This is really big. I mean, there's my head. It's a 12-inch and it fits 3 to 3.5 gallon foliage. It's for indoor and outdoor use. So whether you want to snazz up your patio or you just want to have a cute plant pot inside your house, this is perfect. It's super cute. I love the design. And I think it was like $24.99. Not a bad price at all. And then last but not least is this bubble planter. This actually comes in black as well. It looks really expensive, really chic. Looks like something you'd find at like CB2. You can get it in, it's kind of like a charcoal. It's not solid black, it's more of a charcoal kind of dark gray black. But if you are looking for a cute plant pot, that works. But also if you're looking as, you know, for a cute chic utensil holder, this is the one, you guys. It's so cute. How good that looks? That's adorable. So let me just tell you the prices. The 12-inch planter that I just showed you guys, the big white one, was $24.97. The black lantern 18-inch was $29.98. The big one was $44.78. The 12-piece set, $25.94. That's for the plate set right there. The 6-inch planter right there was $7.88. And the tiki torch was $10.76. I do have furniture coming for the patio. So I have a little like conversation seating area, and then I have, or seating set, and then I have an outdoor dining table and chair set coming. So once that's here and set up, I'm gonna like do a little patio makeover because right now I have nothing on my patio. It's completely bare. I'm gonna show you guys how I use all of these products on my patio to make it a really nice space, to make it feel, you know, like it's not just an empty patio that's looking out on weeds, because right now there's only weeds back there. The chairs were actually on sale, so I got a really good deal on those. So you can shop all of these in the description box below. I'll also put it pinned to a comment in the comment section so that you guys can check them out as well. But yeah, definitely check these items out. I feel like they're really cute if you need to kind of give your patio space or your outdoor space a little makeover this year. This is definitely the time to do it because they've got some really cute stuff. So let's go ahead and check out the patio and hopefully you guys love it. Okay guys, so here is the patio before. So as you can see, it's rather plain. There's nothing out here at all. It's just empty. I'll go from this angle. very boring. And then that is that angle. So you can see, like, it's actually a really great size patio. This was one of like the selling points for this model, is that it was such a good patio. Like, we really, really liked it because it was so big and the whole thing is covered. So, oh, look at these sweet babies. Here is the final reveal. All of my furniture has come in. I've built it. It's looking so good. So if you guys remember, this was completely empty before. I'll come over from this angle too. There was absolutely nothing on this patio. So I furnished the entire patio. So this table is a 5-piece set. They did have an umbrella, so there is a hole for the umbrella. However, it was sold out when I wanted to get it, so I wasn't able to grab the umbrella. But I'll link it, and then maybe just, you know, keep an eye on it if you need an umbrella. Obviously, this is a covered patio, so I don't really need it that much, so it's not a huge deal. Chairs are really, really nice. Heads up, they are a little bit of a tricky situation to put together. They did take me quite a long time. So I'm always, you know, I'm always honest. I always want you guys to know exactly what the deal is, but they are a little bit fiddly. Once you figure it out, it's easier, but it is fiddly, just the placement of like where the stuff is. These are not wood, they're metal. I thought they were wood, they're metal. So, you know, this little edge might get a bit hot, but then this obviously is not gonna get hot at all. And then they do have a pillow that velcros at the back here, so it's really nice. And you know, obviously you can take it off, hose it out if you need to, give it a good wash, and then put it back on. And then that's nice if you do live in a windy place, because they're not going to fly off because they are attached with Velcro. On the back here it says Better Homes and Gardens, and you get 4 chairs all together. And then that is the table. So the table does have a metal top, so this might get a bit hot. I always just want to like give you guys all the good details just so that you guys can make a good educated purchase. The legs are metal as well. Obviously they match the chairs. Table was super easy to put together. That wasn't hard at all. It was the chairs that were just a bit fiddly. But the table is really nice. It's a good size. It's not huge, but if you don't have like a huge space, let me just try and put, you can do it. There we go. If you don't have a huge space and you don't need like a massive table, this works out perfectly because it seats 4. And I've put the placemats and everything on there just so you guys can see that it does easily fit 4 people. You could probably, if you needed to squeeze 2 more people in, you probably could, you know, just kind of, it would be a little bit tight, but it definitely comfortably sits 4 people. So that is the table. And I think it was around 8 something. These placemats are from Walmart. I don't know if I can link them anymore because I got them a little while ago. I've actually been using them at home, like on our dining room table, but I thought they just looked so pretty against this setup. The tiki torch I showed you guys earlier in the video, so cute, and what, I think it was like around $10, wasn't it? And then that's that little set, the melamine and the bamboo. There's a bug in it, but I think that it looks so nice on the table against the black. It's just like a really nice contrast. And then I got more of the pots, and I actually got these lavender plants from the outdoor section at Walmart. So they're really pretty. They're actually in really nice condition. They look really healthy. And I just popped them in those pots. So the pots are $24.97, and I think the plants were like either 14, it's anywhere from 14 to 19. So I have one in that corner, one over there in that corner, and then it's a bit windy today. I was trying to get a day that wasn't windy because obviously the rug blows up when it's windy. I got the other plant pot right over there, which this camera's having a really hard time focusing because the sun's coming from another angle, but it's really cute. And then I also got this watering can, which is awesome. It actually holds a lot of water. I was able to water all of the plants with just one fill up, so that was pretty good. And I just love these plant pots. And let's see if I can get it from this angle. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a better angle. So here is the other set. So this is like their seating, like conversation set. My bum is quite big, and Jay is a bigger fellow, so he, oh, see, I told you it was windy. He likes when chairs are a little bit wider. Like, no one wants to feel like squished in a chair, you know, it's never fun. So I really thought that these were a good size because they are very wide, they're nice, they're comfortable, and they actually are like a really, really good size. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'll sit down so you guys can have a look. I'm a size 10, and I still have a ton of room, and I do have big hips. So they are a very big, comfortable seat. It's like a nice size, so I love that. And then I got these gorgeous pillows. I think they were like $14.97 each. I got them in the indoor section. You know, I suppose if you live somewhere where you don't have a covered patio, you'd want to get more of an outdoor pillow, but these will work perfectly. I always just get the indoor pillows usually, and it's never really been a problem. I got more plants in every corner, same pots. They're just really pretty. They bring in a little bit of crisp whiteness. And then those little lanterns over there, the ones that I showed you in the beginning of the video, again, they're battery operated, so you just put a battery in and then they would light up. You could just flick them on at nighttime. And this was actually not part of the set. I actually bought this separately. It's not from Walmart. I wanted to find a little coffee table, but I couldn't find one. I thought for some reason that oh, I know. I think they were sold out of the black one. They have this set in white with a coffee table, but they didn't have the coffee table in black. So I ended up just finding this one at a different store, and it works pretty well. It's a little bit warmer tone of wood than the chairs, but I feel like it looks pretty nice. That is what the whole entire patio looks like. So it really is pretty. It's cohesive. It matches really well. Even though the woods aren't exactly the same, it's still like there's so much black that it really just pulls everything together. And then the rugs are not from Walmart, but I will link some similar from Walmart that are really cute and would match perfectly with these sets. But aren't those fab? And the pillows, like everything just looks so good. So if you're into a nice black and kind of beigey cream theme, this is definitely the set for you. And these are currently, for the set of 2, they're on sale for $2.97. So you get both chairs for $2.97, and I think they're normally closer to $4. So it's a really, really good price right now. They are so nice, and the backs of them are really beautiful. Like, it's just a really nice chair. These ones were a little fiddly. The first one was fiddly, but after that, I got them done pretty quickly. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. I'm not the handiest. I was actually quite impressed with myself because normally Jay builds everything, but he was at work, and I wanted to get these all built. So I did it myself, and I did it. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. The first one is just a little bit fiddly with these ones. And then these ones, I would recommend having 2 people. I could do it by myself, but it would just, I had Phoenix help me at the end because it was taking me so long. I was doing it for hours. But again, table was super easy. So there is my little patio makeover, thanks to Walmart. I love everything. I think it turned out really beautiful, and I'm so impressed with the pieces. For the price, you cannot beat it. Okay guys, so there is my Walmart patio makeover. I hope that you guys enjoy and found this helpful. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box, as well as the comment section. You guys can shop everything shown here today. If you're on a budget, Walmart is always an awesome way to go if you are looking for stuff that looks and feels high-end, but you're not gonna break the bank with, because patio furniture can be really, really pricey. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.